Welcome to day 4. Day 4 is all about email marketing and how to implement an email marketing system on your website. So, how do you capture leads on your website? What's a party without friend? What is a business without clients? So let's set up an email opt-in where you capture email addresses from potential clients. So you are asking yourself, why email marketing? Email marketing is one of the most effective strategies out there. Likes on Instagram and Facebook can disappear in the very next second. You do not own Facebook or Instagram or any other social media platform. And this is why your whole fan base can disappear right now. Email addresses, however, are yours, and you are able to connect with them on a whole other level. In this section, I will tell you how to set up different opt-ins on your WordPress website. So the first one is MailChimp. MailChimp is an email marketing system that is free, or you can pay $10 a month or even more. So MailChimp is a great email marketing system if you are just starting out. They allow you to have a what you see is what you get editor. So you can type in something and you will see immediately how it will look like afterwards. You can create your templates, and if you type in something, you will see it how it will look like in the end. This is called what you see is what you get. It is very intuitive, and you do not need design skills to create beautiful emails. So if you are just starting out, the new business option from MailChimp is actually called like this, new business, is for you. You can create beautiful professional campaigns and marketing automations for free. No design or coding experience necessary. So, but if you want to up-level it just a little bit, then you can pay $10 a month and you have the possibility of unlimited sending, predicted demographics, email delivery by time zone. So like everyone gets their email when it's 10 a.m. in their time zones. Because when you are sending right now an email and it's 10 a.m. in your city, then in Sydney it would be like 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So, but if you decide to send everyone a newsletter when it's their 10 a.m., this is an option that you have if you have the upgraded version from MailChimp. And you also have the access to the helpful support team anytime you need it. And if you want to go pro, and I'm not really sure what's in there, but there you have the enterprise level features. If you are sending so many emails, if you are a warehouse and you want to send so many emails and you need to have marketing tools, analytic tools, then this version would be for you. But to be honest, the new business, the free version or the $10 version is enough. And my second one, that's the one that I am using now. I switched from MailChimp to ConvertKit. Is ConvertKit. And it's the email marketing tool I switched to in November 2017. I just realized that I want to create several lists and start webinars too. And ConvertKit is offering the tagging system. Normally, only big programs like Infusionsoft or Ontraport are offering this tagging system. But I do not want to pay $300 a month to just get this tagging system. So this tagging system is something like, if someone buys a product from you and you then want to promote this very product, but you do not want to include the people who are already the owner of that product, you can select with a tag who you want to send an email to. If you have different lists, then you can decide which list will going to receive your email. And with MailChimp, whenever a person sign up, say to your webinar, then they are counted as one. If they sign up for your newsletter on the other day, MailChimp will count it as 2 subscribers. And in MailChimp, you also pay for your subscribers. So if you have 1 subscriber on 20 different lists, you pay for 20 people. However, in ConvertKit, they are only counting them as 1. They can be in your system 100 times. It's only counted as 1. However, ConvertKit is a little bit pricey, but I do not miss the features from MailChimp. ConvertKit isn't that beautifully designed as MailChimp, so it's not that intuitive with the designer, but ConvertKit really concentrates on delivery emails as they are. So if you would send your friend an email, do you add an image? Do you add social media sharings? Do you add so many stuff? No, you just type an email. You can add those things in ConvertKit, but it's not the same as in MailChimp. So just start your free trial and see if it works for you. For me, it works, and this is why I'm recommended. So the last thing I want to tell you what you will need for lead capturing are opt-in plugins. So on your website, you can have different plugins that will enable you to capture these emails. MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, and all these different platforms will tell you what plugins you will need or what they can offer or who they are working with. So just click like opt-in or Google opt-in plugins for MailChimp, for example. The one that I recommend is Pop-Up Li Pro. You have to pay, however, $99 a year, but it is so worth it. However, it's called Pop-Up Li Pro, but with this program, with this plugin, you are able to design embedded or pop-ups opt-ins. So with this feature, you have the possibility of having an embedded form or a pop-up form. So check it out. It's a really great tool. If you are using Genesis, the one that I have mentioned a lot this week, there is a free plugin called Genesis eNews Extended. And I use it too on my page. I use both Pop-Up Li Pro and Genesis eNews Extended. And just because the eNews Extended plugin is also placed in the widget area, so I can decide on my homepage, which is designed with different widgets, that I say, hey, place my opt-in just above the fold, or just place every opt-in underneath a blog post. You can do the same with Pop-Up Li Pro, but it's a little bit overlapping, so just decide what's best for you, but that's a possibility too. So pop-up or embedded. You are well aware of all the pop-ups that, pop up when you browse a site. They can be pretty annoying, but they are effective too. And I will show you, or just search the web, the possibilities of the Pop-Up Li Pro plugin and how friendly it is. You can also tell the program that if someone sees the pop-up and if they come back in like 5 minutes, they won't see it for another 2 weeks. If they clear their cache or just restart their computer, then it will show again. But Normally, you can install and decide when should the pop-up show again. And this is why I love this plugin. And you want to capture email addresses after your blog post, for example, or you'd like to embed a form in your sidebar, then this is your way to go. These forms are placed fixed somewhere, so it won't pop up. It's somewhere on your page, fixed and coded like this, and it will look a little bit differently, because you always have to remember that every area, like your sidebar, is smaller, or your website will be bigger if you place the opt-in on your front page. So just be aware where you're going to place your opt-in, and then you have to design accordingly. So yeah, just try it out. Just try whatever is best for you. Do you want to play with a pop-up? Do you want to try an embedded form? Just browse the possibilities and decide on an email platform. There are great free tools out there, but also great paid tools. So just try it out.